how to add a payment method on Gumroad. So here's how it works. Once you are on the Gumroad homepage, you want to scroll down until you see your account. So click on your account icon and then select settings. From within the settings, you should see the payments tab here at the top. So once you click on payments, you can set a schedule for how often you want to get paid. And here's where you will see or find your payout method. Now, depending on your location, you might have different payout methods. The first one, which almost everyone should have, is going to be bank account. It's going to show you the fee for direct sales and the Gumroad fee and the credit card fee here, and Discover sales 30% flat. Now, in order to add a payment method here, you will need to provide your full name, your IBAN, which is going to be your bank account's number. You will then need to type it again, and you will need to select what account type you have. So are you selling as an individual or a business? If you are selling as a business, you will need to provide your legal business name, the type of business you're running, and also the address, city, postal code, country, and your business phone number and company tax ID. Now, if you're selling as an individual, you will need to write your first and last name, the address again, which you have on your ID, the city, the postal code, and your phone number, date of birth, and country also. Once you have done this, you can update the settings in the top right, and that is how you add a payment method on Gumroad. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.